don't know what to say, but thank you so much, ma'am. I mean, I remember you called me even before the part two result was out, and you said, don't wait, just go ahead and prepare for your part three and just give it. So I just took your word for that, and I wasn't really prepared, honestly, because there was too much of exhaustion setting in. But I think the live mock really made a huge difference. I don't think I did justice the amount that the effort which I put in for part two. I probably did even not even half of what I did for part two. But I think the live mock really, really makes a huge difference. And I think what was so overwhelming in that is, all the examiners who were there in the live mock, they genuinely wanted us to pass, and they genuinely, they were trying to help us out, and they really wished the best for all of us. And I think that really made a difference. And in the exam also, those 14 centers, my initial 2-3 stations, the initial start was not really great, and I had the labor ward like just the second station, and I was like, okay, this is just not going the way I wanted to go. But then, somehow, because of that, the process through which we had gone in the live mock, where also a couple of stations didn't go well, and then, things started moving in the right direction. So I think that's exactly what happened in the real exam also for me. And I think it really helped. And obviously, there's, your study material and your classes and all of that. I mean, they're all wonderful. They give you such a good direction to go into that you really don't have to look left or right. Just go ahead with, whatever is provided by the platform, and just a little bit of luck along with that. And I think anybody can clear this exam.